everyone, my name is iiqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I said that out loud. Sheesh. Also, I've been saying sheesh a lot in real life. I hate it, but I can't help it. Anyways, this video is all about skincare. From a first-time skincare routine person, I've never had a skincare routine ever in my life, unless you count washing my face after brushing my teeth. I don't even brush my teeth twice a day. So, a little bit of backstory. I was in QNL, Qatar National Library, the other day. If you haven't watched the vlog, watch it please. Sitting all bored because I borrowed all the books that I wanted. My skin all dry and crusty. And I was like, I'm growing old. My skin is not as it used to be. So I was like, maybe I should do some research about skincare. And that's exactly what I did. Needless to say, there are tons and tons of resources out there, be it in the form of YouTube videos or blogs or books. Why didn't I think about taking a skincare routine book? Anyways, I prefer YouTube. So my very first YouTube search was skincare routine with no products. I know it doesn't make sense, but I did find a really helpful video. So I'm going to share what I learned from there. First, you should have a separate towel for your face. I have a separate towel for my hair and my body, so I thought I'll get another, like a tiny towel for my face. Tip 2, you should always tie your hair while sleeping, because you don't want your hair dirt to come on your face. Tip 3, change your pillowcase regularly. The woman in the video was like, you could just put a bunch of pillowcases at once and then remove it at a time. And I presented that idea to my mom and she was like, that makes no sense. What if the dirt just like seeps through? Just don't be lazy and change your pillowcase regularly. Fourth, which is not just skin related but body related, health related, water, veggies, sleep and exercise. And lastly, fifth final tip is splash water. If you have no products, at least hopefully water is available, so splash water on your face. Those are the 5 tips which are basically that can be part of your skincare routine without any products. But after watching that video, I wasn't content because these are some things that I actually already do. So I wanted to level up my skincare routine. So I continued my YouTube search for the simplest skincare routine, which involves the minimalistic amount of products needed. This one video in specific caught my eye, mostly because it was from a holistic plastic surgeon that I recognized from my TikTok feed. I'll try to link it in the description below. Another thing that I learned is you need to have a day and a night skincare routine. So presenting to you my day and night skincare routine for the first time. First step is cleanse. I mean, technically you can cleanse with water, but you also get these cleansers or face wash. So the first step to a skincare routine is cleanse and get all the dirt out. Second step is toner, but the doctor was like, you can kind of skip it, it's optional. The moment I heard the word you can skip it, I did. So my skincare routine doesn't involve toning. Third step is apply an antioxidant. So a vitamin C serum. There was a lot of emphasis on not skipping this step, so I went ahead and put it in my day skincare routine. And lastly, apply sunscreen. Because it's the day, you're recommended to apply sunscreen, anything above SPF 30, and it can include like moisturizer or some tint, up to you. The optional steps mentioned were apply a day eye cream and moisturizer, but I'm keeping that as optional so that my day skincare routine sounds as minimalistic as possible. Day skincare routine was cleanse, antioxidant, and sunscreen. And if my skin dries up, I'll just put a face moisturizer. Now, coming to my night skincare routine. It's pretty much the same, but instead of 3 steps, it's actually 2. How amazing. You come back from all the hard work that you've done or just like lazed around in the house, come back at night, and the first thing that you do is cleanse. Get all the dirt out. And then second step, because I skipped toning, is applying a retinol cream. And that's all. I mean, you can still apply face moisturizer and night eye cream, but I've again kept it as a optional and not a routine. So for night skincare routine, it's cleanse and retinol, and then moisturizer on the side. Now coming to the actual shopping of these products. I'm currently unemployed, and to be honest, I don't really care about the most expensive products when it comes to clothing, hair products, face products, whatever. And being in Qatar right now, I didn't even know where to shop for skincare products. So I went to the nearest mall, which is Lulu and Safari, and got all my products from there. Products that I wanted to buy were cleanser, sunscreen, a retinol cream, no idea what it looks like, and lastly a face moisturizer. So those were my 4 items. The vitamin C serum, my mom apparently knew how to make it at home because she has the vitamin C powder and glycerine and all ingredients needed for that. So I did a DIY for my vitamin C serum. Now, in-person shopping scares me. There is so much decision fatigue that I faced. Skincare and beauty product packaging feels like it's on steroids. Double protection, triple protection, whitening, brightening, lightening, all in one care, 2 in one care, 3 in one care, 5 in one care. Honestly, it was such a task, but I decided to go with my gut and figure it out from there. Because if I kept overthinking, then I would end up with no products and just never start on a skincare routine. For my cleanser, I bought this simple moisturizing facial wash, 100% soap free. I'm not entirely sure why it's supposed to be soap free, but it is what it is. Especially for sensitive skin, that's good. It's apparently from the UK, kind to skin. For sunscreen, SebaMed Sun Care 50 SPF Multi Protect Sunscreen for sensitive skin. It does say triple protection with UVA, UVB filter and vitamin E, natural inulin and lecithin. I don't know what that is, but yeah. I've heard of SebaMed a lot, in Qatar at least, so excited to give this a try. Now for retinol, I didn't have many options, and the only packaging that clearly said retinol was this Olay retinol product. It's basically Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Serum. That's exactly what I wanted. It also has niacinamide, which I've heard is really good for your skin. And finally, for my face moisturizer, I went with simple again. It says Protecting Light Moisturizer. It also has SPF 15. UVA, UVB, kind to skin. So I have 2 products of simple. I think I went quite literal with my simplistic skincare routine, but whatever, puns aside. One of the product is DIY. I'm gonna see how it goes. And then there's SebaMed sunscreen and Olay retinol cream. Also, I thought skin is more than just face skin, so I might just include the stuff that I use for the rest of my body. Now you have to know that my skin is super sensitive and dry. That's the skin type that I'm working with. So for my body, I usually use Cetaphil Pro, eczema prone skin, body wash for my body skin, and also Cetaphil Pro, eczema prone skin, body moisturizer, moisturizer, lotion, hydrogen. I also thought this video can also include my makeup routine. So the only thing that I do for my makeup is put sunscreen and then use, what is this? Max Factor X Lasting Performance Touch Proof Soft Beige, what is this, foundation only on the spots where like my pimple marks are. So like right now it's on my forehead, so I applied this. And then for my eyeliner, I use this random eyeliner. It's so old that you can't even see what the company this is from. I think it's Revlon, I don't know. But yeah, all of the wording has gone away. And for my lips, I use Labello Cherry Shine. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Literally all the products that I use on my face skin and my body skin. I don't think I missed out on anything. Hair is just a regular shampoo and conditioner. I will try to take off any product that I have on my face using my cleanser and show you how my skin looks at the moment, and then maybe post an update 1 month, 2 months about how my skin is doing, maybe on Instagram. So if you are interested, you could follow me on there. It's iiqrah, as instagram.com/iiqrah or the username iiqrah. Let me know if you have a skincare routine, and if you do, what products and steps you use. That's all for now. Road to 1K subscribers, hopefully soon. Maybe not by the end of the year, but some end of the year. maybe next year, I don't know. If you want to check out the Qatar National vlog that I was talking about, click here. And if you want to find out how to make the DIY vitamin C serum, click here. That's all I have to say. Take care, stay safe, and maybe follow a skincare routine. Okay, bye!